If you're in B2B sales or you run a lead generation agency, you've come to the right place. We actually went deep into Snowf.io for 7 days. We ran a few campaigns and we read through a ton of reviews on G2, Capterra and Trustpilot to figure out what people like about Snowf.io, what people hate about it, and to present to you a good alternative. So let's get right into it. What even is Snowf.io? Snowf.io is a lead generation platform that's mainly focused on cold email. So it helps you find email addresses of your dream customers from places like LinkedIn, from Google search, and it also helps you run email campaigns. Let's get into the good and the bad. So where does Snowf.io shine? Number one, there's a very good email verification tool that's built right in, and people like using it from their database to get into these campaigns. So that helps them prove their deliverability, reduce their bounce rate, and increase their efficiency because they don't have to go to a third-party tool to verify their emails and come back to Snowf.io. A lot of people like the lead generation capabilities. So Snowf.io has a lot of versatile tools inbuilt right into it that can help you get more leads without leaving the tool. A lot of people love the email drip campaigns. So this guy talks about the drip campaign features. You can easily improve open and reply rates, Snowf.io email drip campaigns. The platform offers a great tool for email drip campaigns. Thanks to it, you can easily build an email campaign in a matter of minutes, and it provides all the necessary features. Email and campaign templates for free. You can personalize every email in the way you need it. You can add triggers and schedule out emails. The emails are sent as a thread by default, so it's not creating new email threads. And you get free access to the campaign stats and much more. So this user clearly likes it. Pricing. So this guy says it's very reasonable and flexible pricing. The cheapest solution for marketers. Flexibility, domain search, company's profile search, technology checker, a lot of tools in one place under a very flexible price. That's not all. A lot of people like it, but there are some things that people hate about it as well. So what do people hate? There's a lack of data. The data that it puts out is not very comprehensive. Customer support is bad. Refunds are an issue. There's a lot of bugs in there, and software development process feels a little slow. And obviously there's a faulty billing system that a lot of people hate. So lack of data. So this guy says the database within Snowf.io is practically empty. Never advise deleted my credits, which is not used, and it's not extracting emails correctly. So he was not happy with it. There's very limited reporting. You don't get a lot of advanced reports. You get only the basic ones like open and response rates. So if you want to measure ROI, then it's hard to get a good reporting system out there. This guy hated the customer support experience. So he says support is awful in the last days. Unattentive team sending templates without clear explanation or any intention to help when things are going slow. I know Snowf since the project phase, and it's frustratingly awful. Would not recommend to someone that has over mediocre maximum average expectations for support. You left feeling unheard and ignored, which is not great. Poor refund policy. The customer support team doesn't grant a refund even when they're supposed to. The other thing is, the development is very slow. So this person says, my domain got blocked because they could not stop my campaign. Their pause button does not work. It's a substandard product. You will know when you use the email sender. It is really bad with UI UX as well as the system overall. So that's a problem. A lot of people hate the billing system, right? Like this came up in a lot of reviews. They can't get fixed on their billing page. As a result, all our campaigns stop for a few days each month. These days it's stopped for a week and we can't get it to work. We're placing an order, getting the payment confirmation, and then the order was cancelled more than 3-4 times. I got a payment link from the support team to pay, and it cost me almost $50 and not $39 as promised. We can't rely on the software and not on billing. So how much does it cost? There's a free plan which has 150 credits, 100 email recipients, so it's good to get your feet wet, get started. Then the starter plan is at $39 per month. The pro comes in at $99 per month. And finally, there's a managed service in collaboration with the Brightest Minds agency that costs you $3,000 per month if you really don't want to do any of this yourself. So that's how all of this works. Now, what are the other features that a lot of people like? The campaign management feature, a lot of people like that. The marketing ROI analytics, a lot of people love that. A lot of people love the integration with platforms like HubSpot, Salesforce, Zoho, Pipedrive, Asana. Now, what should you consider when you're looking at alternatives? The first thing is obviously, the database should be good if you're running email campaigns. Then the customer support should be good. Refund policy should be flexible. Platform should be free of bugs, or at least have a development team behind it that quickly fixes those bugs. Transparent and reliable billing, as well as, scalability and customization. And of course, the team should be very ethical when it comes to business practices. So obviously, one of the tools is Sales Robot, where you can use it LinkedIn campaigns as well as email campaigns with reliable customer support, very transparent refund and billing policy, and a bug-free experience. So this person says, creative and personalized way to connect with prospects on LinkedIn without being intrusive. I saw its potential before seeing a demo because the team used the solution to connect with me. The approach is very low-key or casual compared to the way people try to sell on LinkedIn, so it gets you a lot more results. Another thing people like is our customer service. So this user says, such a user-friendly tool with an amazing support team, and we have a lot of YouTube videos, tutorials on anyone who wants to use it. The other thing is that we actually offer you a completely free 14-day free trial, which is zero risk on your part to try it out. And in terms of the final say on the Snow.io review, so the tool is good. It has a lot of functionality inbuilt, but the problem is that, sometimes they're trying to do too much. So they have a lot of features, and then when you have a lot of these features crammed into one tool, it's no surprise that it doesn't really work, right? Like there's a lot of bugs when it comes to billing, poor customer support and all of that. So if you're looking for an all-in-one tool, definitely try Snow.io, but you might be let down if you're more focused on getting the best tool for each use case. For example, sales robot for LinkedIn and email outreach, and a good CRM for maintaining all of this. So you can consider Pipedrive or HubSpot for CRM, and the automation tool can be sales robot. So just pick what's best for you. All right, so that's it from me from now. Please subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.